All right, you're welcome to my class today. We are looking at ratio. Ratio is the relationship between two quantities of the same unit. Okay, ratio could be expressed in form of fraction, right? And we use column that we use in English to represent ratio. All right, now let's look at this example. It says express 3 months as a ratio of 1 year. Now, 3 months and 1 year, they are not in the same unit. So we need to take them to the same unit. And we know that a year equals to 12 months. And so we have to put that as 3 months equals to 12 months. All right. Now, the next thing we can look at here is that we can reduce these numbers, okay, to the lowest term. And what can we use to reduce that? 3 is a factor of 12. So the LCM of 3 and 12 is going to be 3. And so we use 3 to reduce both of them. 3 divided by 3 is going to give us 1. And 12 divided by 3 is going to as well give us 4. Now, so let's look at this. So 3 raised to 12, 3 divided by 3 gives 1, and 12 divided by 3 gives 4. And so 3 months ratio 1 year could be expressed as 1 ratio 4. Now let's look at another example. Express 5 whole number 1 over 2 as a ratio of 2 whole number 1 over 2. Remember that ratio could be expressed in form of fraction, and fraction line is the same thing as division. So it then means that ratio could also be expressed as division. So here we just take this mixed number to improper fraction. So that's the first step. 2 times 5 gives 10 plus 1, it gives 11. So that is 11 over 2 for the first fraction mixed number. And for the second mixed number, 2 number 1 over 2, that will give us 2 times 2 plus 1, and that gives 5 over 2. And so we can have this way. So this ratio that we have in between them, since it could be expressed in form of division, so we could just write it like this and represent that ratio as division. All right, so now we know that when you are dividing two fractions, you keep the first fraction, division turns to multiplication, and the next fraction you swap. Okay, you find the inverse as the case may be. So now we have it this way: 5 over 2 will become 2 over 5. And so 2 will take care of 2, and we have 11 ratio 5, right? And 11 over 5 is the same thing as 11 ratio 5, just like I said at the beginning of this video. So the answer to this is 11 ratio 5. I hope you have learned one or two things in this video. We'll meet next time. Bye for now.